Hi, this is John with Flat 6 Motorsports, and today we're taking a look at the 992 Stage 2 Power Kit. So the 992 Carrera has a ton of potential. We have some power kits all the way from a Stage 1, which is just a simple software tune, up to a Stage 5 Plus, which is going to be larger turbos, water meth injection, all the way to about 750 horsepower. What we have here today is a Stage 2 power kit, and this is going to feature a tuning calibration specifically developed for a little bit of higher flow with the BMC high flow air filters and a high flow catalyst or link pipe. Now this customer also has opted for a muffler section, so this has a high flow catted link pipe and a Kropovich muffler section paired with the BMC high flow air filters. This car actually also features a few other enhancements, including the H&R VTF or height adjustable springs, which we've done some content on before. A really nice kit for this car, and also some beautiful HRE wheels. All right, so the sum of these simple parts, they're simple yet effective and add up to about 600 horsepower. When we took it to the dyno, that's up from 443 horsepower at the crank stock. You know, so you're gaining about 125 wheel horsepower, which nets it up to about 600 horsepower at the crankshaft based on how our dyno reads. Really impressive results. You know, about a second off the quarter-mile time as well. So definitely a lot of improved performance. And again, it's just a kind of simple approach. Simple, and it works. Let's drop it down in a Sport Plus mode. Let's kind of feel the car out a little bit. Really good power level. Car's extremely stable. A 992 chassis we're a huge fan of at Flat 6. It's just such a good package, no matter what trim you're in. And man, this actually is equipped with PCCBs, which is a really nice option on the Carrera. You don't see it as often on the Carrera, but it's in the 992 generation it became an option, and you know, you're seeing them more and more, and it's a really good braking package, very stable under braking. Handling's really good with this lower center of gravity. This also has the Sport Aero kit on it. Just a really nice spec'd out 992 Carrera 4S. The all-wheel drive system's really great. We'll take it here on this little handling circuit we do. But overall, just very smooth, stable, and good feeling. Traction was kicking in a little bit there, but tons of mechanical grip with this car. Just a really good out-of-the-box product, but when you tune it up with our Stage 2 Power Kit, just a few simple mods, it really just becomes a completely different beast. It really reminds me of the 991 Turbo with a tune on it, and that's, you know, pretty awesome value you get in the Carrera. You get the newer chassis, the 992, all the bits of that, but kind of the power of a 991 .1 turbo with a tune on it, which is really impressive. The 991 turbo has a little bit more of that instant torque hit. This has a little more linear of a power band, but I think net they're pretty similar in terms of acceleration times, in terms of power, and that's a really nice place to be. I mean, that's you know, a legitimate supercar, and to be able to have a Carrera S and, you know, just throw a couple bolt-ons with it and get this kind of power level and performance level is just, you know, honestly a really good value in the Porsche range. So we'll have a lot more content coming out soon with the 992 Carrera chassis. We're going to actually have a GTS turbo upgrade kit for the base Carrera. Now the S and GTS share the same turbos in the 992, so the S has a little bit more untapped potential with tuning relative to the GTS, but both have a lot to be gained with a Stage 1 or 2 power kit. But we're going to go all the way to a Stage 5 Plus, show you all that. It's going to be really exciting, so stay tuned if you have a 992 Carrera. If you're interested in improving the performance of your 992 Carrera, check us out at flat6.com. We're happy to help answer any questions, and stay tuned. We'll have a lot more coming. Thanks.